Sitananda, please tell me about yourself.
Yeah. So I'm having overall 7 years of experience, and coming to my roles and responsibilities, like I'm working as a DevOps engineer. And, the last project I worked as connected vehicle, client name was Renault and Nissan. It's a automobile industry project. So basically, here the application is installed on the vehicles. So mostly whenever we are getting in codes from the development team, I have to match it with the release branch, and then have to create the artifactories and have to store it, and then have to deploy it into different environments, development, integration, STG, and production environments. Here, basically, I'm supporting 4 regions: Asia, Korea, India, and US, and using the Azure Cloud Services, Red Hat Linux 7.9, Dynatrace and Grafana as monitoring tool, Jenkins also we are using here, Azure CI/CD pipeline. Apart from that, for ticketing, we have ServiceNow and Jira. Apart from that, we have Ansible and Docker also we are using. So my roles and responsibilities here as a DevOps, apart from build and development, have to monitor the application as a L2 support engineer at around the clock. And apart from that, I have to create add users, and if new users required, and you have to create the privileges for them, have to grant. And before that, I have worked in SAP OneStrike project. That was a migration project from on-premises to SAP Converse Cloud and Azure Cloud. And before that, I have worked as SRE in AWS Cloud Partner. So mostly that is support role. And before that, I worked with Convent, US State Healthcare for Alaska and New Hampshire State. So they're mostly worked on premises and IBM OSP, WSRP portal, WPSL.
Okay. So mainly, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So mainly you are working on the Azure cloud, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. So can we start with the AWS?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have mainly which type of services are you using for the AWS?
Yeah. So I have worked on EC2 instances, EBS, EFS, apart from that S3 and VPC and IAM policies for providing to the groups and users. These are the services I have worked. And around 53 auto scaling, load balancer.
Okay. Okay. So in the VPC side, can you describe the difference between the NAT gateway and the customer gateway?
Yeah, sure. So NAT gateway is yeah. So basically, in the VPC we have different subnets we have. So whenever we are getting the traffic from the outside and to the server, so it is passing through the gateway, that is NAT gateway, load balancer, internet gateway is there. And whenever we are sending the request, NAT gateway and the customer gateway.
Right.
Yeah. So customer gateway is customized it, and here we have internet gateway. It is connected, and it is sending them the request back to the outside world from the server.
Okay. Okay. So basically, the NAT gateway, which have created which subnet, the private subnet or public subnet?
Yeah. So we with public.
Okay. So the public subnet attached with the NAT gateway, right?
Yeah, public.
And the internet gateway?
Yeah, internet gateway in public subnet.
Okay. And what is the customer gateway? Can you repeat again? What is the customer gateway?
Yeah, customer gateway is like sending the request back to back from the server to customer.
The customer means the client.
Yeah, the end user.
Okay, this is end user's client, right? So in the VPC side, you have created any NACL creation for the VPC
Uh,
NACL?
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, network access level.
yeah.
Yeah. So it for the sorry. So it is for network control. Okay. So here
Mm,
over the internet we are setting different ports, inbound and outbound traffic rules, and here we have uh, different subnets we have configuring for private and public domain under NACL.
okay. So basically, what difference between the security groups or NACL?
So security groups are like specifically we are mentioning the ports like inbound and outbound traffic rules from
Okay,
which the server will get the request and where it will send like double 43 or 80
okay,
uh, 422. Those are we are defining there under security group. So NACL it is like it is total network. It is assessing. It is controlling them.
okay. So can we attach the NACL directly to the attach with the instance?
NACL directly.
Attach with the
Uh,
instance.
Yeah, we are uh, through we are yes.
Okay, okay. In the okay. So have you work on the load balancer?
Yeah,
Yeah. So in the load balancer, as mainly which type of load balancer you have worked on the AWS?
yeah. Classic application
Okay, and
and network.
okay. So in the network or application side, so basically the what difference between the network or application load balancer?
Yeah, so network load balancer is on OS level 7. It is there in network, and application load balancer is help. It is dealing with the applications. So basically, whenever we are having high level streaming platforms or gaming platforms, so so
Hmm. So can you repeat again the network load balancer using for?
network load balancer is presented in OS level 7.
Okay, OSI layer 7. So what is the OSI?
Yep. So OSI is like in network we have different layers
Okay,
are there.
okay,
Yep. So that is one of the layer in
okay.
OSI level 7.
Okay, so OSI layers are any protocol you have mentioning on the OSI layer. The OSI layer you have mentioned the network support is the layer 7, right?
Yeah.
And application.
Yep. So application load balancer also we are having for high streaming applications and gaming applications.
Hmm, are you sure?
Yep.
Okay. So application load balancer using for the which type of protocol are supported?
So I don't want to let them see.
Okay. So recently you have worked on the Azure, right? You have the
Yeah.
some year before you have worked on the AWS, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically the network layer load balancer use support the OSI layer 4.
Yeah.
Okay. Is the not a 7.
So
So okay. So have you worked on any backend language deployment process you done before and any specific language you work on it like Node.js, Java, and this type of deployment?
yeah, so Java deployments I have done.
Okay.
So basically we have the JVK7 was there, and
Mm,
build out XML files and was the build tool and migrated to Maven for and apart from that, I have to deploy using shell scripting have used and configured for deployments. So we have a separate deployment server. So whenever the build is happening, we are creating the packages, and we are moving them to that deployment server, and from there we are deploying different layers of the application. As I told you, WSRP portal and the WPF server in IBM cloud.
Okay, you have worked on IBM Cloud. Okay, so you have worked on any pure app applications on the IBM?
Sorry, clear?
Pure app applications, pure apps applications.
I have worked on clear tool for version control.
Okay, no problem. So you have the mentioning of the Java-based application. So can you difference between the .jar and .var files?
Yeah,
The both
yeah.
.zar and .var. What is the difference?
Yeah. So whenever we are running that, compiling and running that Java file, so we are getting that .jar, okay, and that var is the consisting of the jar files. Okay.
Hmm. Okay, and .var.
Yeah. So .var is like inside var files we have jar files as well, and other JSP pages and Java files as well. We have it's containing.
Can we deliver the .jar file through the Tomcat?
Sorry.
Can we deliver the .jar file attached with the directly to the Tomcat server? .zar.
Tomcat is a yeah, we can do it.
Okay. So you have working on the Jenkins. So can you have created any Android build through the Jenkins?
One
Okay. And any .NET based application deployment through the Jenkins?
mostly Java based.
Okay, only Java based applications mostly. And other languages like Node.js?
And
Okay. You have worked on any Node.js deployment process? You know that? What is the Node.js deployment?
no, I have not came across. If I'm getting opportunity, definitely I will learn.
Okay. Okay. So in the okay. So any .js files like React.js, AngularJS, any deployment process, Node.js, AngularJS, React.js, how to deploy? Only Java. You have worked on only Java.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So okay. So you have worked on Azure App Services, right?
Yes.
So recently you have worked on Azure App Services.
Yes.
So in the Azure side, for example, our one machine, and I want to migrate to the another account or another Azure account. So what is the procedure to migrate the instance to machine? Mm,
So first we have to
mm,
we have to define the policy for and we have to add that account with the child account for the master account, and then we will move the data from the account to the source from source the destination account. Where we want to like which region or availability we are launching that application, and once that is done, the sync is completed, then the migration will happen, and by this way we can do it.
okay, okay. Shrikant. So basically, so in the Azure virtual machines, for the any downtime to be required for the migration process, right?
Sorry,
The downtime is required or not
why?
in the migration side? Can we require downtime or is not
Uh,
downtime?
Downtime, mostly the migrations we are doing on
Mm,
offshore timing. Okay,
mm,
and the backend and front end we are moving the backend data and the databases, and then we are redirecting the traffic from the source to the destination, and like new application where we are hosting. So mostly for some time, like some frictions of time, for maybe downtime occur, but we are zero downtime we can achieve.